Morning traders, we're going to look at another runner for the past few days, and that's Gamestop again. So we could see that March 4th it settled down, and they had a volume spike in the afternoon, took a rest the next day, then it jumped up again. So roughly, if we look at when the volume came in here, about 120 up to yesterday, maybe 210. That's only like a 73% run from in 2 days. So now we'll look at, since the high is 209 and it's not jumping like it did before, we'll just look at something slightly out of the money, which is the 250 call. You can see it from a week ago or more when it ran up to $6,000 each. Then the 250 call expires this Friday, came down, let's say in the past 3 days, March 4th, which was last Thursday, came down to about 350, it lows 350, then yesterday was lows 340. So you could have even had it down yesterday's low, which is 466. So assuming we would have got it somewhere in between these three averages down here to yesterday's top, which is 2,800 for this option. So that's about a 723% gain from 340 to 2,800 in one day. And that's mostly probably impossible to get tops and bottoms, but even if you get half of that, 350 or 175%, that's great return for 1 or 2 days work. So it's not as volatile as before, but it's still making money for some options plays. And if you go win the money, at the money, you make less return, but probably a safer return in case the stock doesn't jump up like it did a month or two ago. So good luck. Let me know if you traded this. Talk to you soon.